Hello, my good people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is leahwamu, and today I'm visiting these amazing apartments called the Epic Brownstone. It is in Kitisuru suburbs, and it's only 10 minutes away from the Great Westlands. By the way, they have a very beautiful units with modern facilities such as the lifts. It also has swimming pool, the gym, and the amazing environment that brings the peace of mind. And the units are for rentals and others are for short stays. I mean the Airbnb. And so have a look at them, and I hope you're gonna like them because I already like them. And by the way, we will be doing here the real estate. We will also be doing cultural. We will also be traveling a lot, and we'll also be doing real stories. So stay here for more and more. Keep it at Leahwamu. And by the way, thank you for the amazing support and for coming back to my YouTube channel. I really don't take it for granted, but I just want to say thank you so much. Have a look. Hope you'll enjoy this video.